In this lecture, I will talk about container images and registries. So that's a very important topic. So let's start. To run a containers, you must use a container image. And from where you are going to download a container image? That is from the registry. Suppose I want to run a Ubuntu operating system. So first step, you are supposed to download the container image of Ubuntu into your local machine. And once you have that image, then you can run the container. Suppose I want to have a Nginx web server. So what you can do, you can download the container image of Nginx web server on your local system, and then with the help of commands, you can run the Nginx containers. A container image is a static file that contains codified steps. Codified means in a proper or arranged manner or way. And it serves as a blueprint to create containers. The container images package an application with all its dependencies such as its system libraries, programming language runtimes and libraries and other configuration settings. So in simple words, we can say it's a complete setup of a package. If you want to run a Ubuntu operating system as a container, so you just need to download the container image, and that image is having all the dependencies, libraries, programming language runtime, dependencies, configuration files, everything would be there. You just need to run the Ubuntu container. Container images are built according to specifications such as the Open Container Initiative OCI image format specification. The next is container registry. A container registry is a repository for storing and retrieving container images. A developer pushes or uploads container images to a container registry. You can pull or download container images from a registry to a local system to run the containers. Suppose I want to run a Nginx web server. So first I can download the Nginx container from the registry. You might use a public registry that contains third-party images, or you might use a private registry that your organization controls. The source of your container images matters. You must know whether you can trust the code in the container image. So that's very important. The Red Hat distribution certified container images through two main container registries. So Red Hat is having two main registry locations that you can access with your Red Hat login credentials. You just need to create a Red Hat developer account to download an image from the Red Hat registries. And here we have both the registries. The first one is registry.redhat.io for containers that are based on official Red Hat products. The second one is the registry.connect.redhat.com for containers that are based on third-party products. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to show you how to log in to authenticate to the registries and download the container images. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.